Hey, I'm David.
And I'm Eric.
And 3 years ago, we came to you, to Kickstarter, and told you about our dream to make a low-cost underwater robot.
We wanted to make underwater exploration accessible to everybody.
A lot has happened in the past 3 years. We've shipped thousands of these robots to 50 countries, every continent. And most importantly, we've built this community of people who are obsessed with pushing the boundaries of what's possible.
So for the last 3 years, we've been working on how to make underwater exploration tools the right way. And what we've come up with is something we are extremely excited to announce.
This is the Trident.
At OpenROV, we believe that exploration is not just about gathering data, but also about experiencing new worlds in a new way. We've designed Trident to be extremely fun to fly.
Most ROVs, they move up and down slowly. They go left and right, forward and reverse. Trident is nothing like that. It flies like an airplane. It speeds along, you can bank, you can dive. It's fun to fly. It goes fast when you want it to, but it can slow down and be precise when you have something you want to inspect.
Getting video from underwater has always been a challenge because radio waves don't travel through water. So we've developed a very lightweight, neutrally buoyant tether, which communicates the video feed from the ROV up to the surface. That attaches to a wireless buoy, which allows you to control the ROV from any Wi-Fi connected device.
Like a tablet, a laptop, or even a VR device like an Oculus Rift or a Google Cardboard. We wanted an ROV that could go to places that no ROV had been before. So we designed it to be ultra portable, whether you're hiking to high alpine lakes or you're bringing this as carry-on luggage. It goes wherever you go.
Most ROVs are designed to look in specific places where you already know where the target is, but we've realized that a lot of people want to explore with an ROV. We've designed Trident to be extremely hydrodynamic and excellent at going in long, straight lines. This allows you to do lawnmower patterns, being able to broadly explore a place that you've never seen before and find out what's there.
We've seen community members take this model and create 3D visualizations of the seafloor.
Using technologies like photogrammetry and structure from motion, we hope that we can help create maps of the underwater world that will allow us to see it in a completely new light.
I joined this project when it was the initial Kickstarter, and I did it because it was going to be a chance to take this hardware, these robots, and I was going to be able to use my software skills to actually program them and have them do stuff underwater. I've been using that to build a platform now that lets other software geeks like myself contribute and help programmers to find ways to control robots. We've made a plug-in architecture that allows you to add your own components, add new sensors, new technology to an ROV after it's already been developed and out in the field. The OpenROV software, it's bigger than any single ROV. It's opening the door to services and technologies that we're just now scratching the surface on. From mapping to autonomous computer control to imaging reefs and underwater shipwrecks in 3D. We're going to be able to send this data and utilize cloud computing, mesh networking, and all kinds of future technologies to make it available to everybody.
So whether you're a fisherman, a researcher, a recreational boater, or just someone who's curious about what's below the surface, this is the tool for you.
So here we are. We've spent the last 4 years developing underwater robots, and we've never been more excited about the project we have now.
To get to the next level, to bring Trident to life, we need your help. So check out the reward levels, let us know what you think, and together, let's build the future of underwater exploration.
Thank you.
We are from an independent tech collective, and we're tired of the corporate giant's laziness.
Regular earphones have wires that tangle and limit your movement. And the few wireless ones out there are too big, run out of batteries, and on top of that are useless while you charge them.
So we took matters in our own hands and developed PUGZ, the world's smallest wireless earphones that you can charge through your phone. Look at those puppies.
This self-guiding magnetic connector is going to change the game. If the battery is out, just connect it to your phone and keep on listening. We designed it not as a square,
Nor a circle. We call it the Squircle. For the best electrical conductivity, our connecting elements are made of 18-karat gold.
Our PUGZ earphones are not only small, they're also packed with badass sound and come in 2 different models depending on what kind of fit you prefer. They are available in 4 colors to suit everyone And of course, you can talk on the phone with them.
A full charge takes 40 minutes, which gives you 4.5 hours of music. And it only uses 3% of a smartphone's battery capacity. If the battery's out, just plug it in and keep on listening. The development phase is done and we are ready to go. Now we need your help to go into production.
You now have two choices. You push the back button, and the story ends. You'll wake up tomorrow with your regular earphones, and this project will cease to exist.
Or you push the green pledge button, and we start our journey and explore how deep this rabbit hole goes. The choice is yours.
People are the most creative when they are children. But the tools they use to create have not changed for years.
Hi, I'm Rustem, and this is the RoboCube, and it will change how our kids learn about technology.
Introducing Robo Wunderkind, a revolutionary robotics kit for kids of all ages, which can be programmed and controlled with smartphones and tablets. RoboCubes can be attached from either side so you can make different robots.
2 years ago, I was studying computer science at the Vienna University of Technology, and I was building robots on Arduino platform. My friends were fascinated by what I was doing, and they also wanted to build their own robots, but it was no fun and simple way for them to get started. This is why I decided to create a robot that would be easy to build with code and would be accessible for everyone.
We're embedding different electronics such as microcontrollers, sensors, motors, and even cameras into the cubes. This way, kids can easily build unique robots with different functions and in any shapes they can imagine.
I think it's really important that kids get introduced to technology at a very young age, and I think Robo is a really interesting platform for enabling these kinds of things that sort of makes the robotics technology accessible.
The biggest engineering challenge for our team was to create a connection system between the cubes. We've created a technology that will be easy to grasp even for a 5-year-old child, and it works perfectly. Just attach the cubes, build a robot, and connect it to a tablet via Bluetooth.
We've created an intuitive app that kids really love. You don't have to write any code to program the robot. Just drag and drop blocks in the app and press start. Teachers love the way kids learn by playing with the robot. That's why we've also developed a curriculum for teachers on how to use Robo Wunderkind in the classroom.
Robo introduces the younger students to authentic 21st century skills, and it targets an age group that sometimes doesn't really have that opportunity.
Children learn by playing and experimenting, and I can't think of a better thing to support than Robo, where students are having fun but they are learning.
With our amazing robotics kit, we are teaching children 3 key skills: robotics, coding, and creative thinking. And there is one more thing. We've made an adapter that will make Robo Wunderkind compatible with your Legos. All of our backers on Kickstarter will receive these adapters so that you can bring your toys to a whole new level.
We started working on Robo Wunderkind 2 years ago to make education in coding and robotics fun and simple.
And now we need your help to start production.
Support Robo on Kickstarter to make technology accessible for everyone and everywhere.
Thank you.
Yeah.